In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Google Calendar event. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Calendar. You can type Google Calendar in the search bar and hit enter. As the search results appear, you will notice various links to Google Calendar. This step is crucial because accessing the right website is essential for managing your events. You should see the official Google Calendar link among the top results. Once you locate it, you can proceed to the next step. Next, click on the correct link that leads you to Google Calendar. This is typically the first link that appears in the search results. Clicking the right link ensures you are directed to the official Google Calendar site, where you can manage your events securely. Once you're on the site, you will see your calendar interface with dates and scheduled events laid out. This visual layout is user-friendly and will help you navigate through your calendar effectively. Now it's time to log into your Google account if you are not already signed in. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password associated with your Google account. Logging in is a necessary step because it allows you to access and modify your personal calendar events. Once logged in, the calendar will display your personal events and schedules, making it easy to locate the one you want to change. Once you are logged in, click once on the event you want to change. This action will highlight the event and display a pop-up window with event details. It is important to select the correct event to ensure you are editing the right information. You will see all relevant details, such as the title, time, and invitees. This visual confirmation helps you ensure you are working on the intended event, minimizing mistakes. Next, click the pencil icon, which represents the Edit Event function in the pop-up window. This icon is typically located at the top of the event details. Clicking this icon allows you to enter editing mode, where you can make changes to the event. This step is essential because it opens up all the options you need to modify your event. Once you click the icon, you will see a new interface where you can adjust the event details. Now, change the date, time, title, or invitees as needed. You can update any of these details based on your preferences or requirements. This flexibility is one of the key features of Google Calendar, allowing you to keep your schedule current. After making your changes, take a moment to double-check them to ensure everything is accurate. This careful review helps you avoid any potential confusion later on. Finally, click the Save button at the top of the page to apply your changes. This step is crucial because it ensures that all modifications you made are recorded in your calendar. After clicking Save, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. This gives you peace of mind, knowing your calendar is up to date and reflects the latest information. When prompted, choose between Send or Don't Send to notify guests about the changes. Sending a notification keeps everyone informed, which is important for group events. This small decision can save you from potential misunderstandings later on. Now that you have completed these steps, you can easily manage your Google Calendar events with confidence.